Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by protecting your data and checking whether the issue is software. First, back up your files to cloud or PC. Once done, restart the Huawei and immediately run the built-in screen diagnostic or enter the service menu to display color and line tests. Then boot into safe mode to see if third-party apps cause lines, because if lines disappear under safe mode, you'll focus on removing or updating apps rather than hardware repair. Now you tackle software causes. Make sure the phone is on latest firmware and install any security or display-related updates. Patching often resolves driver-level artifacts. Next, clear the system cache partition and remove recently installed or updated apps that could affect display rendering. If lines continue, do a factory reset as a last software resort. Make sure you restored your backup first. Because this eliminates if software steps fail, shift to hardware diagnosis. Power off and gently inspect the frame for impact signs or screen separation. Small bends often imply internal connector issues. If comfortable, remove back cover and reseat the display flex connector to the board. Make sure battery is disconnected to avoid shorting. Once reassembled, test again. If lines persist, arrange a certified screen replacement. It's commonly a damaged LCD/OLED. Troubleshooting tip: if lines flicker with pressure, it's almost certainly a loose connector or damaged panel, not software.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.